Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get glamorous hair. And you could totally wear this hairstyle to an event, for a party, for a photo shoot, or just because you want to have huge hair. I love huge hair. Big, voluminous, bouncy curls are my favorite, and what I'm really excited about for this tutorial is I'm going to be doing 70s inspired hair. So think of Bridget Bardot, just really iconic, big hair. And I'm so excited for this video because I've partnered up with IGK hair and I'm gonna be using their dry shampoos to go from this to this. Oh yes. And also you guys, stay tuned till the end of the video so you can hear about a special giveaway announcement with IGK hair and Lyn Beauty. Also, all of the products that I'm gonna be using in today's tutorial, I'm gonna have them linked down below for you guys to check out. And without further ado, let's jump into the hair tutorial. I have a very oily scalp. My hair is so oily, and I love using dry shampoos throughout the entire week after I've washed my hair to refresh my hair. And my favorite one out of all three I'm about to show you is Jet Lag. And this happens to be the most lightweight one out of all three. It feels like nothing in your hair. It smells amazing. Literally every time I use this, it smells like I just washed my hair. It just smells so amazing. Since it is the lightest cleanse level, you can use this every day, and I just love it. I can actually use this and it prolongs my hair for about a week if I'm using this every day, so I don't have to wash my hair for an entire week. How amazing is that? I also really love that these are invisible dry shampoos, so they're not gonna add that cast of white to your hair that most dry shampoos add, especially if you're a brunette like me. If you apply just majority of dry shampoos that are out there, they make your hair look powdery and they make your hair look very dull. These do not do that. They're all invisible, so you are not going to see these in your hair. One thing that's pretty cool about this dry shampoo is that it has finely milled volcanic ash in it, which cleanses the dirt and oil that is in your hair. And Jet Lag is easily my favorite dry shampoo out of all three of these because it is the most gentle and lightweight. You can use this to refresh your styling every day, and you can use it between blowouts and washes, and that is why I love this one. So I just showed you guys Jet Lag, which is the lightest weight, and here I have Direct Flight, which is actually the medium cleanse, and this is a multitasking matcha dry shampoo. So this one gives heat-free volume and it boosts the texture of your hair. This is something that you could use in the middle of the week if you're on like day 3 of your hair or day 4. You could use this one since it is more of a deeper cleanse than Jet Lag. Direct Flight is oil absorbing, and there's turmeric in it that actually lightly cleanses the hair, and there's also charcoal powder which lifts the dirt, so it gives you that medium cleanse. The last dry shampoo I'm going to be sharing with you guys is First Class, and this is the deepest cleanse out of all three. This one is really heavy duty, and this is great for after a workout, after you've been sweating and when your hair is like the most oily. This is the one that I would totally grab. This one allows you to go even longer between washes, and it does have that charcoal powder in it that lifts the dirt and oil and sweat off of your scalp, and it really deeply cleanses your hair. I'm not sure if you guys knew this, but all of these dry shampoos are UV protected, so just like you protect your skin when you go outside and you wear sunscreen, your hair is going to be protected as well if you are wearing this, if you are running outside, walking outside. What's really nice about First Class and also using this after workout is it contains cooling white tea, so when you apply this to your scalp, it's very calming and soothing, and this also strengthens the hair follicles as well. And this also claims to cleanse the most oiliest hair. So I am currently on day 3 of not washing my hair. So because I'm on day 3, I'm gonna be using Direct Flight. This is so perfect for day 3, day 4 time range. So I'm gonna go through and really brush out my hair. And please take note of how oily and matted my hair is to my head right now. It is like 0 volume at the roots, and this is really going to cleanse my hair, which is what I need. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. You just spritz this into your hair. I love to apply it right at the crown and just right in the front of my hair. That's where I'm the most oily. You just want to shake it through as if you're like washing your hair in the shower. You want to work that product really into the roots. Then you can just take your brush and just brush it through. You can still get gray hairs even when you're 23, because I have them. You can see this one right here, it's wanting to make its debut. So as you can see, now my hair is so much more voluminous and it looks really clean after using Direct Flight. I'm gonna flip my hair and spray underneath, because my hair tends to get oily right here on the back of my head. Now we're gonna pop in the rollers. So I'm gonna take a chunk of my hair at the front of my head. And you wanna use a large roller, like the biggest rollers in the set, because the larger, the softer it will be around the face. I'm just gonna roll it straight back. I'm gonna use the medium-sized rollers now. And now towards the front of the hair by the ears, I'm gonna use the larger roller. As I'm going through and adding the rollers, I'm using the Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray, and I'm gonna spray the hair with it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the roller. So using the texturizing spray just adds a little bit to it that makes it easier to really grip the hair. Taking another big one here. The direction I'm going with the rollers is down first, and I'm gonna roll away from my face. And now lastly, I'm taking the smallest rollers and I'm gonna be using those on the bottom of my hair. Because the hair is longer here, the tighter the curl is better. So I've got all of the rollers in, you guys, and I'm gonna let these sit for about 30 to 35 minutes. And I did go over them with this, and this is a Next Level Nordic Cotton Heat Activated Volume Spray from IGK, and this is going to really hold those curls in while they set. Once they're set, I'm gonna remove them, and then we're just gonna finish styling the hair. All right, you guys, so I just took the rollers out and I have these loose curls. So I wanna add more of like a hump at the top of my head. So I'm gonna be teasing the top section of my hair, and I did section this off here. I'm going to do a little ponytail. I'm gonna cinch it about right here, but I'm gonna be back combing underneath this hair so we can get a lot more height and we can make this look a lot higher in the front. So more like this. So what I'm gonna be doing next is I'm just gonna be taking this teasing comb and just teasing underneath. And I'm just teasing at the very root of the hair so I don't disturb any of the curls that are at the bottom, because I want that to be smooth. To clip all the hair back, I'm using a flat clip that looks just like this, and I just push the hair up as I clipped it in. So before I go back in with my curling iron, I'm gonna be using the First Class Dry Shampoo, and this is the heaviest cleanse out of all 3 dry shampoos, and this adds amazing volume to the hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it to the bottom half of my hair. And once you spray this in, you wanna make sure that you massage it into your scalp. And then you'll see how the roots start to lift a little bit and it gives that volume. So I popped on these 70s earrings and the hair is complete. I'm gonna do one more thing though. I'm gonna quickly add the Next Level Nordic Cotton Heat Activated Volume Spray just to the whole hair. Just gonna spray it in and then just kind of shake it up a little bit. So this is the final hair look, you guys. I love the way it turned out, and I know you guys are ready to hear these giveaway details. And let me tell you, this giveaway is so epic. It is so amazing. So Lyn Beauty has teamed up with IGK Hair, and the theme of this giveaway is called Flight Status. So the prize is you're going to be flying first class to Miami. You're going to be getting a color and cut at the IGK Hair Salon in Miami, and you are going to be getting the full IGK Hair hair collection. All of their products, you guys, they have such amazing products. This giveaway is so good, and if you want to enter, then go ahead and head over to my IG. It's Victoria Lyn. I'm gonna have a photo up and I'm gonna give you all of the giveaway details and rules to enter there. I'll have my IG down in the description box along with all of the products that I use in today's video. Good luck, you guys. I know whoever wins this giveaway is gonna be so happy. They're gonna have amazing hair and they're gonna have so much fun on that trip, so good luck. If you guys like this tutorial, be sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.